Hey guys, my name is Lucky Crystal, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. For today's video, I will be unboxing the second Fiesta Filipinas kit. Before I start, I want to give a little clarification. These boxes aren't for sale. They were sent to me by the embassy. This is their attempt to spread awareness or like to help promote our tourism in Philippines, like to help increase it actually. And usually the boxes contain kits of a theme of a festival in Philippines. That's why the last box contains the 3 biggest festivals in Philippines, and that's why this box contains a very special one that I will now unbox. This specific kit is designed to make you experience what it feels like to go to a Panagbenga festival. The city where the Panagbenga festival is celebrated is called Baguio City. I've never really been there before, but I do want to go there someday. And because of the pandemic, all the festivals were cancelled, and this is DFA's way to have an online celebration where they get to send all of these boxes from different parts of the world, which is really interesting. It helps spread the word about the festivals that go on in Philippines when there is no pandemic. So yeah, I think it's a really good idea, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox this now. For this one, I think the most dominant taste would be the mango. I realized in the last video I didn't really taste all of them. I just tasted the PI, the one that I really like. But this time I decided to really try everything on camera. I mean, I ate the whole thing after like 4 days. The most dominant taste here is the mango. It's because it's really easy to like access, I don't know, mango puree or something. But I do definitely taste the sweet potato as well. That mostly tastes like banana. I don't really get the taste of yam. And I also get the taste of coconut. That's actually really good. It says here that's surprising. That's 76 calories and only 2 servings per container. It's only like 152 calories. That's not a lot. And it's 40 grams, so that's really good. Very light. If I compare this one and this one, I think I like this one more because this one is a bit sweet and sour, and this one is just like sweet and salty-ish. I don't know if that makes sense. And I just realized there's signs in the side, preservative-free, which is good, gluten-free, and it's not fried. That's surprising. I thought it was fried. And it's vegan-friendly, and it's real fruits and vegetables. So that's, yeah, this is something that I've never heard of this brand before, but after today, I will definitely look for this brand. In the last video, they were promoting like Bing Bong, Cebu Best. They're like the brands that as a Filipino, we already know. This one, I don't know. I've never heard of this one before. So that's really like interesting because it's eye-opening and it's also healthy, so that's cool. And Malagos is known for their chocolate. These are legit like farmed in Philippines and also harvested in Philippines and sold in Philippines. So I'm really happy about these products. I'm guessing the reason why they didn't give a bigger pack of this is because 72% is not for everyone. You have to have a certain like artisan taste or like gourmet taste to actually appreciate this. Even I don't appreciate this that much, but I will try it anyway. For me, 65 is okay, like 65% cocoa is okay, or cacao, whatever. But 72, it's too dark. Like it has this like really strong bitter taste. Ooh, is what it looks like. It's not at all what I expected. I don't understand why it's light, but I think it's covered in, it has like a layer of cocoa powder. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, but the inside is like the real color. Very bitter. Really not to my taste, but I appreciate what they're doing here. What I would do to appreciate this specific product more, I think I would actually put this in hot water and add a little like condensed milk or something so that it's, you know, like sikwate. Sikwate is basically the thing that I mentioned in the last video. I just called it like chocolate or something. For this product, I would do that too. For this one, it's really interesting. I just read the back part and it says tree to bar, and I think that's like the most, I don't know, like sign that it is very organic. I don't know, that sentence for me really resonates because of the fact that it's legit like Filipino and it's won a lot of international awards. I'm just gonna try one tiny bar. Yeah. I like this one. Made from tree to bar. Again, this product is rather healthy because of the fact that it's dark chocolate. The last product that I will try is this one. Benguet coffee I've actually heard of before, but I've never bought this and I've never seen the packaging. Man, authentic Filipino. This is what I'm proud of, like about Philippines. Like this is good. I know this is gonna be good. So it's packaged like this. Like this. Ooh. Just in case you're wondering, it took me like 20 minutes to prepare this cup of coffee. This is probably one of the most innovative ways to prepare drip-on coffee. That's so cool. I wonder how much this is. Okay, so according to their website, this costs around 280 Philippine pesos for 10 packs of these. And while I'm finishing up my coffee, I'm gonna start building this tiny flower arrangement. There's a bottle with the Fiesta Filipinas and the dried flowers. And I'm just gonna put it in my bottle, and that's basically it. And the string that they give is like basically to wrap around here, but I'm not gonna do that. I think it's already pretty as is. So I'm just gonna put this in the back. So the last unboxing, my favorite product was the piaya, and in this unboxing, my favorite product is the coffee. And I almost forgot the last one, which is the Capis refrigerator magnet. The Capis shells were used to make windows during the 16th century. The Capis shells are harvested from the tropical water of the South China surrounding the Philippine Islands. Nowadays, the Capis shells are used to make souvenirs. I really want to thank you all for allowing me to unbox this specific themed box. It's very beautiful, and when the pandemic is over and I'm able to safely travel to Philippines, I will definitely try to time it during this specific festival because it's really cool. They compared this to the Pasadena Rose Bowl, and the fact that they're comparing this to that, it's like, this must be something that is super grand and definitely something that I will look forward to going to. And for those of you who have never heard of me before, my name is Like a Crystal and I live here in Bern in Switzerland, and I make YouTube videos about Philippines and Switzerland and other countries that I hope to visit in the future once the pandemic is over. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a few weeks with this video. Bye!